Hey guys, welcome back. Today we gonna be talking about how you can make deep learning project to predict flower type from its picture. So we use MLModel and also we extend the UIImage to create this deep learning project. So yeah, first of all we will create a new project. So in Xcode we create a new project. This project gonna be single view app, and you can name it as you like. Okay, so first of all I copy some flower picture in assets. Okay, and also I will make new group with folder and I name it helper as usual. Inside this I'm gonna make a new file, and it's gonna be Swift file. I name it extensions. So usually in this extension files I have this extension file in my project to extend super classes and make it more customized for ourselves. So to be faster I copy that file here and I just paste it. So make sure to import UIKit. Okay, so as you see it's a function by the name of buffer. It goes over UIImage and converts that image to CV pixel buffer. So you will see that I create the CV pixel buffer as a new, and then wide and high attribute, and finally it's gonna be bitmap context and return pixel buffer. Okay, so after we made this extension, also we need our CoreML model, but I added when I need that. So let's go to first of all to our main storyboard and quickly set up our page. So in main storyboard I need one image view on top, I need one label at the middle, and I need one button. Okay, so I put this button exactly at the bottom and I make it wide like this. I change text to next, size it 26, text color yellow, and background color blue. For label, also for label I'm gonna put it here, and this one as well I make text blue. 17 is good. Background light blue. Also I want to be alignment at the center text. I can do it label text because I'm gonna fill it out later. Okay, and then at the end I put my image view. I fill whole screen with that until here, and yeah, stick it to this label. So first of all I'm gonna say my button I add constraint to be same height, 56. And also for label, I add constraint to be same height, 54. Yeah. And okay, and now for button, I also constrain to all corner, right, left, and button, but not top. Okay, and this one I just constrain to two sides to be 0 from sides, and image view I constrain from top, right, and left. Okay, so now I add to customize constraints. So what I do, I say okay, control drag from label to image view, vertical space, same it is now, and next to label. Okay, so I believe now our screen is pretty ready. I just need to connect it to view controller, so I click on assistant editor, I close this sidebar, and now I connect it. Let's do cleanup here as well. So here on top I need two connection, so one from image, I name it image view, and one from label. I moved it by mistake, so sorry, control Z. Yeah, so sorry, control drag to here, I name it for example predict. Yeah, prediction. Prediction. Okay, also for button I'm gonna control drag to here, and exactly the button inside the class but not inside the function, and I make an action by the name of for example next button, type UI button, connect. Okay, so here we'll sit our code in when we click next. Okay, so I close the assistant bar page, and I'll go to view controller, I start to coding. So what I need an extra function. This function I name it setup, and I give it one parameter from type int, no output. So here I said let's flower name equal flower plus string, and format, so I want to be 3 digits, and here I give it my entrance parameter. Okay, so I made the flower name. So what I need to do now, I need to make UI image from this string. So I said let image equal UI image name the string, and so name will be same name we made, flower name. Okay, so now this image I'm gonna make it pixel. So I said buffer equal image dot. So now I have that function that I extended available here. So I click that one and I wrap it with exclamation mark. Also, I am gonna say guard let output equal try model. Okay, so what is model? Here I need to create a model from my MLModel, but I didn't import it yet. I just left it for now. Okay, model equal. So here you will see I say flower doesn't give me anything. Yes, because I don't have my model in project yet. So what I'm gonna do, you can go to the comments of this video and find out a link to GitHub of this project, and and inside the GitHub you will see download link. Also inside the comment you can find download link as well. So in that link, when you hit on it, go to that link, you will direct to Dropbox, and in the Dropbox for Flower you will find this FlowerClassifier model for download, so you can download it. And you download it, I did that already to save time, so you can just select it, drag it in your project. So make sure to copy it, have a copy as a destination. Also create a group check mark. Okay, so create it. So as soon as this copy to your project, then here even you can have that model available. Yeah, here you go. You can see that. So this time I type flower. First offer FlowerClassifier. Okay, I add it. So now this model is an instance. So here, if I click the button, then if I enter button, then I have prediction offer. So I choose prediction with data CI pixel buffer that we made in that function in extension, and just here say buffer. Here we go. So now I have output from prediction. I forgot to say, you can say else. So if this try didn't work, so what I want, I just print failed and then return. Okay, so now I just say let's, I want to find the percentage. I say proba equal what? Integer. So cast integer what? Output dot probe of a string of again output dot I forgot to put this extension on. So okay, so now class label, and then I say okay exclamation mark, I multiple it 100. So now I have percentage. Okay, so also I say image view that image will be same image. Okay, and we say prediction dot text equal what? I think it's a, okay, backslash start and end output class label, also with percentage. We made it just on top. Okay. Okay. Now, I want to randomly check one of those, so I show you how you can write a quick random function. So I say random range so lower range an integer, upper range and another integer. Okay, and output an integer. So we want to randomly send an integer between lower and upper. So here we say return lower plus integer, test integer of, here we go, arc random uniform, and here we say u an integer 32 upper minus lower plus 1. That's it. So we made that function. Okay, so here what I say okay, setup, called setup with one random number between 1 to 22. There you go. I put same same line in my viewed load to make sure that first of all program run the first time we have. Okay, here flower name cannot assign a valid string to UIImage. Yes, I forgot to write here UIImage. Yeah, image view should be UIImage named, here we go, string. Yeah, so by this way I'm gonna convert it. Okay, so we have now project ready. Let's run it and see if it's working or not. Yeah, run it for you. So just briefly, we made an extension for image to convert it to a buffer, and we add our FlowerClassifier model, which is made up from Oxford 122 for flowers, data set, and then we with that model we try to find out our picture, what is our picture. Okay, here you'll see if I check the picture and tell me, let me see. This one is rose 109 89%. Yes, everybody knows. So this one, so Barberton Daisy said 86%. Yeah, I think else there's two things also here. I forgot to put percentage also. Yeah, and again, let's also, I'll go to Google and try to see Barberton Daisy. Yes. 60, Chrome 41%, Super 46, not good. Yeah, this one. It's at 99%. So Carnation. There you go. Yes, it is Carnation. Yes, so you will see how we made one deep learning project to predict our flower name, and we use CoreModel. Also, I show you here that this model is, when you click on that, give you information, and it gets image color from 2207 x 227 pixels. Okay, that's it for our video today. Please, if you have any question, leave it in comments. I'll be more than happy to answer. Also, please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to don't miss new videos are coming. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.